You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Famous brand name cars, motorcycles, engines, and so on from Japan in Japanese, and then we'll get to English. Japanese pronunciation: Suzuki, Suzuki, Suzuki. Now, therefore, in English it's pronounced rather similarly, but the sound from Japanese doesn't exist in English, so Suzuki, Suzuki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.